Good morning everyone. Welcome back to grade 4 mathematics class. So in chapter 2, we were learning about addition and subtraction. I hope the concepts are clear to you. So today we'll have a revision session. Solve, and you are given 6 questions there. You can see here you have a combination of addition and subtraction in each of these questions. So we have learned the rule in math that if addition and subtraction come together in the same question, which is the one that we always do first, we do addition first, then we do the subtraction. So let's see the question A first. So here you have the numbers and addition and subtraction. So let's do the addition part first. So let's group these two and find the sum. These two added together will give you 47,598. Now what is remaining? The subtraction part is remaining. So let's subtract that number from this sum. Now subtracting these two numbers will give you the difference 34,344. So that is the answer to question A. Now question B. 43,324 minus 24,354 plus 2,435. So here again you have the subtraction and you have the addition. Let's do the addition part first. Make sure you don't take this number because it has a minus symbol in front of it. So that is the subtraction part. Make sure you are taking only the addends here. So let's add those two numbers. So adding them will give you the sum 45,759. Now let's do the remaining subtraction part. So that is minus 24,354. After subtraction, you'll get the answer 21,405. Now question C. 7,62,354 plus 1,53,633 minus 3,43,536. We have to do the addition part first. So that addition will give you the sum 9,15,987. Then you subtract the subtrahend here. Now that will give you the difference 5,72,451. Now question D. Here which are the addends? These two are the addends here. Adding them will give you the sum, this one, minus the subtrahend. So after the subtraction, you'll get the answer 85,09,181. Now question E. Here the addends are these two. After addition, you'll get the sum 1,36,808. Then the remaining subtraction part. So let's subtract the subtrahend from this sum, giving you the answer 66,768. Now the last one, question F. 90,000 minus 85,500 plus 1,11,020. So here the addends are this one and this one. So adding them will give you the sum 2,01,020 and the subtraction. The subtrahend is subtracted. So that will give you the difference 1,15,520. So those are the 6 questions of question 4. Now the 5th one, solve and check the subtraction using addition. So in this chapter we have learned that after a subtraction operation, we can use addition operation. That is, we can add the difference and the subtrahend and check if we get the minuend. And if we get the minuend, the subtraction must have been done correctly. So let's use that property in this question. So the first set of questions, question A and B is here. So A, here it is 45,730 minus 13,982. So let's subtract the ones first. 0 minus 2 you cannot do. You borrow. So that will make this one 10 minus 2, 8. And here again we borrow. Here we get 4. Here 6 minus 9 we cannot do, we borrow. So here it is 7. Now 4 minus 6 1, 4 minus 1 it is 3. Now what you have to do? Let's check if the subtraction was done correctly. How do we do that? Let's add this difference and this subtrahend and see if we get this minuend as the sum. So 31,748 plus this subtrahend. 8 plus 2, 10, carry over 1. Now here 8 plus 4, 12 plus 1, 13, carry over 1. Here it is 17, carry over 1. Now 3 plus 1, 4 plus 1, that's 5. 3 plus 1, 4. So 45,730, which is the minuend. So the subtraction was done correctly. Now let's see the second one. Here you cannot do 0 minus 1, you borrow, but here also in the tens part, you have 0 10. So we borrow 100 and bring it to the tens place. And here now you have 10 and we have to give 110 to the ones place. So again, we are giving we are borrowing 110 from the tens place. So the ones part becomes 10 and here in the tens place it becomes 9. Now, here 10 minus 1 it is 9. 9 minus 1 it is 8. Now, can I do 1 minus 7? So you borrow. So 11 minus 7 it is 4. Now 2 minus 2 it is 0. 5 minus 4 it is 1. Now let's check if the subtraction was done correctly. So let's add the difference and the subtrahend. So that is 9 plus 1 10, carry over 1. 8 plus 1 9 plus 1 10, carry over 1. 7 plus 4 11 plus 1 12, carry over 1. 2 plus 0 2 plus 1 3. Now 4 plus 1 it is 5. So we got 53,200, which is the minuend. So the subtraction was done correctly. Now question C. In question C, again we have to regroup the numbers. We are borrowing 110 from the tens place. So here becomes 0 and here it becomes 10. 10 minus 2 it is 8. Now again we have to borrow. So this is 6. Now here it is 11 minus 9, 2. Here again we have to borrow. So that is 6. Here it is 4. 7 minus 3 is 4. Now let's check the subtraction. Let's add the difference and the subtrahend. So that is 8 plus 2 10, carry over 1. 6 plus 4 10 plus 1 11, carry over 1. 9 plus 2 11 plus 1 it is 12, a carry over 1. Now 7 plus 6 13 plus 1 it is 14, again a carry over 1. 2 plus 4 6 plus 1 it is 7 and 3 plus 4 7. So it is 7,74,210, which is the minuend. Hence the subtraction was done correctly. And the last one, let's do the subtraction now. We have to borrow. So here it becomes 11 minus 5, which is equal to 6. Now here it is 11 minus 6, which is 5. Again, after borrowing, we get 5 here again. 3 minus 1, it is 2. Again, we borrow. So it is 10 minus 2, 8. Now 8 minus 4, it is 4. Now let's do the addition to check if the subtraction was done correctly. So the difference here is 4,82,556 plus the subtrahend 4,21,765. So adding them will give you 11, 1 here and carry over 1. So here again carry over. So it is 9,04,321, which is the minuend. Hence, the subtraction is verified. Now, let's move on to question number 6, the last one. A company manufactured 35,623 motorcycles in 2014 and 38,653 motorcycles in 2015. In 2016, it manufactured 20,000 more motorcycles than the combined number in 2014 and 2015. How many motorcycles were manufactured in 2016? So, in the question, we are given the number of motorcycles that was manufactured in 2014 and then the number of motorcycles manufactured in 2015. And also in the question, it is said that in 2016, it manufactured 20,000 more motorcycles than the combined number of motorcycles built in 2014 and 2015. So we have to find out the total number of motorcycles manufactured in 2016. So that would be equal to the number manufactured in 2014 plus the number manufactured in 2015 plus 20,000, right? So let's see how we can write the steps. So the number of motorcycles manufactured in 2014 equal to 35,623. Now, the number of motorcycles manufactured in 2015 is equal to 38,653. Now, the number of motorcycles manufactured in 2016 is equal to the number in 2014 plus the number in 2015 plus it said in the question there were 20,000 more motorcycles. So that 20,000 should also be added to the sum. So let's substitute the numbers here. So these are the add-ins here in this addition. Let's do the addition and find out the total number of motorcycles. So let's do the calculation in the working column. So it's 35,623 plus 38,653, then this 20,000. So let's do the addition. Let's start adding the ones. 3 plus 3 plus 0, it is 6. 5 plus 2, it is 7. Now 6 plus 6, it is 12. Carry over 1. 8 plus 5, 13. Plus 1, it is 14. Carry over 1. 3 plus 2, 5. Plus 3, 8. Plus 1, 9. So the total number of motorcycles manufactured in 2016 is equal to 94,276. So I hope this was clear to you. Now, all of you should go through all the concepts that we learned in addition and subtraction, the chapter 2. Then you have to work out the questions given in this revision station page. Then in page number 35, you can see a worksheet. You have to go through that and find the answers for those questions as well. So that's all for today. We'll meet in the next class with a new chapter. Until then, bye.